this video I show you how to receive LawPay payments in the client portal. To receive online payments from your customers via LawPay, you need to first ensure that you have a payment method set up with LawPay. So click on Payments and Settings, click on Bank Accounts, and you're going to make sure that you have linked up one of your bank accounts with LawPay. You would do that from Create Payment Profile and click on the Connect with LawPay button. So there's two ways in which you can enable to receive LawPay payments in the client portal. One is a firm-wide setting, which means that this will universally apply to all clients and matters when you set this up, or it's for the individual client level setting, so that if you have specific needs for a specific client, then you can set that up on an individual level as well. So let's first take a look at the firm-wide settings. Click on Clients and Settings. And at the bottom, you're going to want to make sure this Enable Portal checkbox is enabled. And in the Receive All Portal Invoice Payments in field, you're going to want to click on the bank account that's connected to LawPay. So I'm going to click on this and I'm going to click Save. Now, under individual clients, you can set it up under Clients and Matters. Click on the client's name. And again, for this client, we have the Receive All Portal Invoice Payments in, and it's already fed from the firm-wide settings we've just set up, but you can change this from over here. So let's say we do this and we click Save. Now you'll receive LawPay payments in the client portal for this specific client.